Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia. Here we discuss all things fragrance, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that's your thing, don't be a stranger. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fragrance gang. Today I'm going to be reviewing Lattafa Mayar Cherry Intense. I'm extremely excited to share this luxurious cherry scent with all of you guys. So if you want to learn more about this fragrance, go ahead and stay tuned. Now y'all, this scent was launched, I want to say like around mid 2024. When it first launched, I was seeing a ton of different creators on TikTok reviewing this scent, but at the time I was really on the fence about it because a lot of times with cherry fragrances, they usually end up just being a Tom Ford dupe. And I have plenty of those in my collection already, and I just thought it would just be more of the same scent, especially from the way different creators were talking about it. I was just like, okay, this is gonna smell like Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I'm good. But one day my sister wanted me to order some more of the Swiss Arabian Layali Rouge perfume oil, and I always get that on Amazon, so I went ahead and added that to the cart. And then I scrolled down a little bit further and then I saw this, and since it had kind of been a minute since it had been out, the price wasn't crazy, so I was just like, you know what, why not give it a try and see how it smells. And yeah, when I got the scent, I was extremely surprised at how it smelled. But this is what the packaging and the bottle look like up close. As you guys see, it comes in a can similar to Jean Paul Gaultier fragrances. I know there are other fragrances that come in cans as well, but like that's the only brand in my mind that's like known for coming in a can. So I thought that that was really cool. My can did get beat up in the shipping here, but the fragrance and everything else on the inside was fine, so I didn't really care too much. But it is this beautiful dark burgundy color, and you can really tell that a lot of thought went into the packaging. Overall, it's really nice, and aside from mine having a few dents in it, like, it's perfect. And the bottle is just stunning and extremely well made. It's this dark, beautiful burgundy color, and it has this beautiful gold detailing close to the cap. This little metal band is not attached to the cap. It's actually a part of the bottle, but that pattern just flows up into the cap as well. And then of course you have the Lattafa logo in the cap. It's just extremely beautiful and I really like it. And because of that dark cherry color of the bottle, it looks like a cherry. It looks like what this fragrance smells like. And I love when fragrance houses include like the theme of the fragrance or the scent of the fragrance into the actual packaging. This fragrance only comes in one size, and that is a 3.4 ounce, so you really get a lot of fragrance for the price. Now this fragrance retails for about $30 online. On Amazon though, you can get it for around 25 or 28 bucks, so it is a little bit cheaper over there. And sometimes you can find it like on TikTok shop and from other sellers a little bit cheaper as well. Now let's go ahead and get into the notes of this fragrance. In the top notes, there's strawberry and bergamot. In the middle notes, there's cherry jam and cacao. And in the base, there's vanilla, amber, and patchouli. Now let me go ahead and give it a spray and let you guys know what it smells like. Y'all, I honestly did not think I was gonna like this fragrance as much as I do. When you first spray it, you almost get like this cherry syrup type note, but it doesn't smell cheap and it doesn't smell kiddie either. It still has a really luxurious and sophisticated element to it. Once the scent dries down just a little bit, you definitely get a hint of the cacao, but it doesn't smell gross or overpowering. And the cherry and the cacao note really blend well together and round this fragrance out beautifully. You also get a hint of the vanilla. In my opinion, it just adds like a sugary sweetness. It doesn't smell like a super vanilla-y scent at all. In my opinion, I don't really smell the strawberry note too much either. I kind of feel like that note is just there to kind of help bring the fruity cherry note to the forefront and make it a little bit sweeter. And of course you get that amber. I love amber. I love the way it smells. And in my opinion, I feel like it just elevates any fragrance. When there's notes of amber in a fragrance, I automatically know that it's gonna smell mysterious but sophisticated and just well-rounded. And I don't know if you guys caught that there is patchouli in this fragrance as well, which if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I do not like patchouli. Patchouli does not smell good on me, but in this fragrance, I don't know why, you don't really smell it too much. And since I've had this fragrance, I've worn it a few times, and even when it dries down on my skin and I've been wearing it for hours, that patchouli note still doesn't take over, and I really don't smell it at all. And when this fragrance first came out, as I mentioned, I didn't want another fragrance that smelled like Tom Ford Lost Cherry, but also knowing that patchouli was in this scent, it kind of turned me off a little bit too. And in my mind, I was like, that's a really bad combination, but it turned out beautiful. I really like this scent, and I've been getting Lattafa fragrances for a while now, and I haven't smelled one that I'm just like, oh, that is disgusting, I hate it. And all of the Lattafa fragrances that I have, I've blind bought them, and I also love how affordable they are. Like, even when I smell this on my skin, it does not smell like a $30 perfume. And because of the luxurious kind of rich, heavy notes that are in this scent, in my opinion, this would work better in the fall and the winter months, and it would work perfectly year-round as a nighttime and special occasion type scent. I wouldn't necessarily wear this to like an outdoor wedding during the summer or something like that, but if you're going to like an indoor, even like an outdoor, maybe like a rooftop or something, special nighttime occasion, this scent will be perfect for that. And this fragrance is definitely for the cherry fragrance lovers that are tired of Tom Ford Lost Cherry dupes. This scent is unique, it's different. I have never smelled anything like this before purchasing this fragrance. And honestly, I am so happy that I got this. My mom was able to smell this scent a little while ago and she really likes it. So I guess between me and her, I might be able to get through this fragrance just a little bit quicker. And as far as age groups go, this fragrance is definitely for the adults, but I feel like this is a unisex fragrance as well. It is sweeter and slightly fruitier, but because of that amber note and the vanilla, I could really see this working on everybody and smelling really good. But this is for sure a must try if you are a cherry fragrance lover. Now, as always, I will have this fragrance linked below in the description box so that you guys can pick it up and try it out for yourselves. If you guys have tried Mayar Cherry Intense by Lattafa, let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. And if there are any other Lattafa fragrances that I should try next, also let me know down below in the comment section. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.